Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to log into Gmail on your PC with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in gmail.com. This will redirect you to the Gmail login page where all the magic happens. Now you'll want to sign in with your email address. Look for the field that says email or phone. Click on it and type in your full Gmail address. Make sure to double check for any typos. A small mistake can cause login issues. Once you've entered your email, click on Next to move forward. Next up, it's time to add your password. You'll see another field prompting you to enter your password. Type it in carefully, remembering that passwords are case-sensitive. If you're worried about making a mistake, you can click on the eye icon to see what you're typing. When you've entered your password, click on Next again. Finally, after a moment, you'll be logged into your Gmail account. If the information you provided was correct, you'll be greeted by your inbox, ready to send and receive messages. If you experience any issues, double-check your email and password, and make sure there are no connectivity problems. And that's it. You're now logged into Gmail on your PC. Feel free to explore your inbox or check out the various features that Gmail has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.